In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on Depop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a refund request on Depop, consequently canceling a purchase. So on Depop, only sellers can cancel a purchase. If a buyer messages you, they might request a cancellation, and the steps in this video will guide you on how to get this started. As a buyer, to my knowledge, you cannot start it on your own, so you must message the seller. So what you have to do is go over to your profile and access these settings. In here, go to your sold items. So usually it is either going to be the selling page or the seller hub. Either way, you need to locate the page where all of your sold items are listed. Inside of your sold items, you will see them here, and you can tap on the specific one that you want to refund. So when you tap on a specific item, you might see details like this, and what you have to do is access the menu. So you can tap on any icon that has a question mark or a menu. So either 3 lines like this or a question mark at the top. Just look for the menu when you choose a sold item. Now, one of the options is going to be refund sale. This is where you will get the process started. Sadly, I cannot cover the entire process of refunding, but after you tap on this, it is simple. Just follow the instructions on screen. It is very intuitive. You might have to provide a reason and confirm the details about the product. And once everything has been set up, it is going to be handled by Depop. The buyer will receive their money refunded automatically by the system, so you don't have to do anything. Just make sure that you initiate the refund request from here, and Depop will handle the rest. Like I said before, as a buyer, you can only message the seller to ask for a cancellation, and they have to do it on their end by going over to refund sale on this menu. If you cannot find this button, it could indicate that the sale is no longer refundable because there is going to be a little bit of a period to where this can be initiated. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel a purchase on Depop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.